Hello everyone, welcome to Satyanas. Now we are here with a new topic, mathematical reasoning. This chapter is only useful for mains, not for any competitive exam. This consists of many terminology like conjunction, negation and etc. etc. We will discuss one by one. First of all, let's learn about negation. In this chapter, there are many tables which you have to remember. There is a compulsory question in the mains from this chapter, which can be done very easily. For every heading, there is a table. So now, the negation symbol is represented as like this. Okay, this is a negation symbol. If P is a probability or else P is a condition, negation P. Let's take the statement P is true, then the negation of P, which is false. Negation means the reverse, right? Okay. If P is false, then negation P is true. This is a small table which you can remember easily. So this is negation. And the next comes is conjunction. And it is represented as like this. This is a symbol for conjunction. If P and Q are two statements, P conjunction Q. Okay? If P is true and Q is true, P conjunction Q is true. Okay? Now, if P is true and Q is false, then P conjunction Q is false. If P is false, reverse now. If P is false and Q is true, then P conjunction Q is also false. The last condition is if statement P is false and statement Q is false, then P conjunction Q is also false. Right? This is a table. Simply conjunction means true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 false. Only T and T becomes T, right? Remember this. And next is disjunction. And it is represented as V. You should not say V, but a symbol like this. P and Q are two statements and P disjunction Q. See for this, if P is true and Q is true, then P disjunction Q is true. True false will also become true and false true also becomes true. False false also becomes false. In this, T and T, TF, T, FTT, FF is false. Only the condition for FF will get the false, but in the conjunction only the true and true conditions gets true. Remaining all are false. Here only F and F is false, remaining all are true. And the next is conditional. It is implied like this. P, Q, P conditional Q, okay? T, 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 true false is false, but false true is true, false false is also true. In this, in only one condition we will get the false, that is for true implication false. Only for this condition we get the false. In all other conditions we get true. Okay, remember these tables. The next is by implication. Symbol for this is this, okay? There's a big table for it. P, Q, P implication Q, Q implication P. The last is Q. Okay. This is the condition for by implication. P conditional Q and that means conjunction Q implication P. Let's try true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. These are the statements P and Q. Now, true, true is true for P implication Q. True, true, false. As I said before, only for true conditional false only we get the false. All other are true. Now for Q conditional P, it means see like this: true to true, which is T, false to true, true, T to F, which is false. See the conditional of T to F, false. The other is true. Now there is a conjunction. So conjunction means only true true will become true. T and T will become true. F and T will become false. T and F will become false. T and T will become true. So T, F, F, T. This is for by implication. And now next, converse. Converse means if P conditional Q is there, then its converse is Q implication P. Okay. Okay. We all know the P conditional Q, right? PQ means true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false. Okay. Now, all right, now this. You know that true, true, false, true. Okay. Now, the Q conditional P is true, false, true, true. This is the condition for converse. We'll stop till here, and in the next video there are 3 more tables which are contrapositive, inverse, tautology and contradiction. Tautology and contradiction comes under one table. Okay, and in the next video we will discuss the problems also. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe Satya News channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.